Hey guys, how's it going? This is Dan Jam, and I had a lot of people responding to my Qtron mods in the shrunk enclosure. Uh, I guess y'all like that sparkly paint with the white font. Um, and I had a few people ask about the power supplies for these things. Typically, they use a large 24 volt adapter, um, center tip positive, which is EHX is kind of not standardized. Typically, the center tip is negative. Just a little quick thing I wanted to show you. You can see here that this little dot there in the center, the open side is like a C shape, points to the positive. That's how you know the polarity of these plugs. So the center, the inside of this is the positive. Well, standard pedals and all your things like these, standard is center tip negative. And here's a typical one. You can see right here, the open side of that C shape is pointing to the negative. So anyways, what I did for this demo is you can see this is powered on, I quickly made a voltage doubler cable. Now what is that? It's two outputs wired in series, not parallel. Parallel would give you double the amperage. Series gives you double the voltage. And a lot of these power supplies, like this Gator one here, give you selectable voltages from 9 volt. It's got some 12s here, some 18s. And what we're going to do is we're going to use two 12 volt outputs to make one 24 volt. So for these Qtrons, we don't have to rely on this big bulky power supply. We can use this, which is mounted underneath a shelf or maybe on your pedal board. So like I said, these are wired in series. I have two of these at 12 volts. And on my meter, I have set to measure DC. .24 volts. So this is center tip negative. Okay, so what we have to do is reverse the polarity on these Qtrons or whatever pedal you're doing, as long as it's, we just need to make sure that this is now center tip negative to match the power supply. So now that we've done that, voila, we're off and running without having to rely on these big power supplies. Thanks.